Okay, this is a 2021 Nissan Sentra. It's all redone. Pretty nice car. Looks like kind of like the Honda Accord. Anyway, we went ahead and added the shock sensor to the factory alarm. So, because what happens is in this car, the only way the alarm goes off is somebody opens the door. Pretty much, then nobody's going to do that. They're going to put 4 brakes, remove the air out of the tires, let the car fall on the brakes. These rims are, I think they're going to start stealing them because they're kind of like as nice as the Honda Accord and the 2020 Toyota Corolla and Camry. So yeah, well, it's just a matter of time until they start hitting these. But anyway, the shock sensor will work. It's an add-on to the factory alarm. That way you don't have to install another alarm. You have to carry another remote control. I'm gonna go ahead and, by the way, it has remote start too. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the tire. It should fire off if the alarm has been set. I'm not sure if I armed it or not, but we'll find out. Fires off the alarm. Yeah, this is a crucial update for those who have these type of car, Honda Accord, Toyota Camry. Now this car, I imagine other ones too, they've been stealing rims and tires out of these cars for 5 years. Somebody bangs on the window, it will fire off as well. Protects the whole car from bumper to bumper. Give it a little longer, and then we're going to go ahead and bang on this side. By the way, the lock nut locks that come from the factory, if you can put a couple more per tire, that would be fantastic, because the shock sensor loves when there's a lot of banging around in order to take them out. So yeah, that's going to be better if you put 2 or 3 per tire. I'm going to go ahead and give it a few more minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and bang on this side, and that should fire off the alarm system. Looks like somebody, looks like from factory, the calipers come painted. It's not a bad car. It's going to be a popular seller, I think. And of course, the remote start still works. Okay. Go ahead and shut it off. This one has to, you walk up to the car, press this button, unlocks your doors automatically. And when you get out of the car, I imagine that if you walk away, if you program it through the settings, it will automatically lock itself back away from the vehicle. It hasn't done it. Maybe it has a delay and it will do it, but I don't want to wait around. But yeah, I think that's in the programming. Or if you get out and you just press that button, I think it will lock the doors. No, that unlocked. Oh, that did lock it. Okay, it's all good. All right, this shock sensor was added here in Miami, Florida on this 2021 Nissan Sentra. And we thank you for watching this video.